Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Rocks, and this video is about the Brooklyn Art Library's art project, the Canvas Project. I'll put a link to the website so you can read it for yourself, but what it is, they asked a load of the artists to send in a word, and each word is to be illustrated on a canvas, and then each canvas will be combined into an encyclopedia book, and it's the theme of the project is everything we know. So if you buy the canvas, you can join the Canvas project, and then you get sent the canvas and your word, and you can also buy a supply pack too. So my packs arrived recently and I have not opened it yet, but this is what you get. I'm in the UK, so this is how it came to the UK, and so I don't know what word I've been assigned for this art project. I've done a few sketchbook projects for the Brooklyn Art Library, and then I went on to start doing my art blog so I could show people my art straight away, because sketchbook projects are fun, but I did find it quite stressful, and I impatiently wanted to show people what I'm creating as soon as I make it. So I went on to start doing an art blog, but I saw this project and I quite like this project because you only have like one item to actually make, so it's not as stressful as having to come up with like 30 or so different ideas for each page in a sketchbook. So I'm excited to see. So this is how it comes in the envelope. So let's open it up. So I also opted to purchase the supply pack. In total, I purchased the canvas, the entry into being printed in the encyclopedia, and the supply pack, and in total it came to $95. So that's to the UK. So in the supply pack we have 3 tubes of paint, of Reeves paint. We have 2 shades of green and a sort of brown, and we have 2 paint brushes and a pencil. So if you got loads of materials already, then you don't really need this supply pack, but I just wanted to buy the whole lot. So that's in your supply pack. And then this is the canvas that you get, and you get 1 canvas, instructions and no participation. So let's open this box, and then you get your word in this envelope. So and this is the little, this all about the project, and it tells you about that it's going to be, each canvas is going to be curated into a book, and then the canvases will be swapped with another artist, so you'll get somebody else's canvas. See, that's really cool. So it's a swap and a publication in a book. So that's all your information. And then you get your artist info card, which you've got to fill out and send back with the canvas. And then some instructions. And then this is your canvas. So then, so I'm not. So you can read the rules a bit more, but I don't know if you can decorate the back, because I had an idea for this hole here. But this is the canvas that you decorate and send back, and then you get one word. There's 2,000 of these words to give that they're giving out, so there's 2,000 artists who will take part. So if you want to take part, then get onto their website and get signed up. So my word is fly away. Oh, that's cool. I got the word you've received is meant to inspire, feel empowered to make it what you want. Paint verbatim, or transform it into your own narrative. It's all up to you. That's quite cool, because I fly away. So that could be fly away hair. I always flying in my dreams. I can fly really well. And fly away, TARDIS, Doctor Who. Ooh. I'm in the universe. I'm always flying about in the universe, aren't I? Shall I make it Doctor Who themed? I could make it Doctor Who themed, because that's precisely what I am in the universe. I'm a journalist, and I flew away on the spaceship to the sun. And then I vortex manipulated away, flew away. Oh, see, that's my word for the canvas project, fly away. So, see, that's really exciting. I'm really excited to do this project. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Yay! And thank you to the Brooklyn Art Library for always having really fun projects. Yay!